Babe.
What going?
Guess what? More pregnant.
What you say?
More pregnant.
Manai. Yo!
Babe.
Hello?
Babe. Babe. Oi.
Look at my nose in
Tear dog.
Thirsty
Oh,
dog.
Jesus!
Well, me just a come from shop still.
And?
I got the soda. When me boys ain't know us. All fast money, no slow bucks. No one can control us.
Yeah. Hola, Tunje. Ooh, yeah. Bringing action from Africa. Ooh, yeah. From Africa. Ooh, yeah. Cut breath the wild fuck here, and right now we're in the Amazon jungle, and we're gonna look for some exotic creatures. So come with me. Come on. Exotic creature, mate. Come and look. What is this?
Cuthbert the Waffle here again, and right now we're deep in the trenches of the Australian outbacks. Come with me. What is this? What? Oh my god! Very dangerous here in the outbacks. As I barely escape these gigantic spider webs. Oh my god, cut it off.
The manga look right, man. Go pick it.
How that your pick? Why that?
I'm supposed to know jump out of the friggin' tree, my youth.
How fruit I go?
Bossy made you know.
That your pick? Why that?
Man, with the blood.
Cloth, you see the cloth? I cut myself. I want to put the blood with the cloth, you see it? Oh, see it, I'm going to find the cloth. I can't too really now step my mother's house, you see me?
Your friend never can go crack before mine. Hey boy, don't look at me.
What's that?
Double 5 pound boy.
No, we no boy.
Don't do it, you can't talk that.
Tell me that.
Hey.
Oh, Jesus, me back. Call the ambulance.
Me?
Little boy, go tell the girl that I like her.
You bro tinky, man.
Oh, bomba. Oh, rascal.
Wag on MTV. Forward man. Wait. Take off your shoes, bad man. How mother kill me? You know, tell me that turn on the light, but you know JP steering, so just forward. Going on the fridge. Come on the fridge! Mommy, you listen to the
Cut.
Right, reporting for Type Brief News. Here we are in Tiffany Garden. We're going to speak with one of the witnesses of the murder. Yo, I'm so going on, but yo, I'm end us a thing called back shot at your favorite position, you see it? And my thing, you see it? Big up my baby mama. Yo, big up my mixtape. My way, I'm a tough fuck, give me everything.
No, dad, he's not that.
Give me everything!
He's not that. As Prime Minister of Jamaica, I will now legalize the rights of gay marriage in Jamaica. Yes, this will
When you
be passed
delegalize the
as...
dirty wig, who said that? Yeah, fool, boy, gay. Go ahead. Who said that? Go ahead.
Stop
Show your
I want
foreign.
you to find who I said that and I want you to tax him.
Tax your woman. Tax him. Your woman. Tax him.
From departing from the alliance from his well-known bad bounty killer, Vibes Cartel has been one of the most controversial artists. From being sex tapes and now bleaching. Vibes Cartel, how you doing?
Kevin, go wash up the plate them.
Go soon come. What the hell that boy I talk to?
Mommy, sorry. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but from Saturday, mother say I'm not come out time room, no. Timmy, what you doing here? Come eat some. What you want to
Stay
eat?
out of my castle.
Come no me in the ramp in my youth.
Me bum.
Yo, come pick me.
No man, why not so dark?
So every light in the house turn on. We not pay light bill. Just wait, man. I gotta cut it off. You think a JPS run things?
You see me girl, then me have to see the party in your weave.
What you mean?
Like Moses stepping at the sea. My girl, them black from them neck to them feet, face white like bread.
Jesus.
Without the wheat, my girl, them girl, them.
Where's Jesus?
Watch it.
Go and plant those corns, no? But now plant no more corn, you know? Batty boy. Oh! My friend, listen, we can work
Working,
this out.
mama.
I'm sorry, no. Attack! Female Studies 101.
I'm hungry, what you have to eat?
Mackerels.
Mac what? I'm gone home, yeah.
See your girls stay, watch this now.
I'm hungry, what you have to eat?
Well, I have some tinned fish soaked in tomato juice.
Yeah, man.
Then we mix it with some sauteed onions and hot exotic pepper. Oh, yummy.